What is going on, YouTube? Welcome back to another video. And as you see here, I picked up another new go-kart for a good deal. It's got a Predator 212cc engine. When I first got there, the owner had it running, but the fuel he used was two-stroke, which this engine does not need two-stroke. This engine uses only pump gas, which I'm gonna be draining the gas out of this engine and just putting straight pump gas, finding out if this thing will start. It's got a live axle back here, so that's pretty cool. It is missing a chain, but that's fine. I could get that order and install that. It's got a new sprocket, a newer engine. We might need to change out the brakes. It's got these like racing slick tires, which they all seem to hold air, which that's pretty good. But as you see, the car is gonna need a new kill switch, a good cleaning. Other than that, this go-kart should be nice and a solid little ripper. So let's go ahead and take it outside and get it pressure washed to see